4WD. Call ASAP. Call and ask for details. Vehicle location: Stephen Wade Nissan Sales, 888-671-6622. You don't have to worry about depreciation on this handsome 2010 Nissan Titan. The guy before you got it all. What a guy! It scored the top rating in the IIHS frontal offset test. This truck is nicely equipped with features such as 4WD, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, anti-whiplash front head restraints, brake assist, CD player, driver door bin, dual front impact airbags, dual front side impact airbags, electronic stability control, front anti-roll bar, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, occupant sensing airbag, overhead airbag, passenger door bin, passenger vanity mirror, power steering, power windows, rear seat center armrest, rear step bumper, rear window defroster, speed sensing steering, speed sensitive wipers, split folding rear seat, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, traction control, and variably intermittent wipers. Sometimes the fun doesn't begin until the pavement ends, which helps make the off-road ability of this Titan so appealing.